Dejections are there. I've learned, there were a lot of this thing, I created the R&D and then one company came and they took all of my people from the R&D and, but then for that moment, for 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, you are a little upset and then 11th day you say, okay, let's go it. Let's do it. So there have been a lot of challenges in life, because in the inverter industry, the moment I was doing very good, people started coming after me and my team. So my team was taken by people many times now. Now I have lost that count. So it's okay. I've learned actually how to accept these things. Earlier it was very tough for me because I was disturbed for a month or for 10 days, 15 days. Now it's question of maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Then I know I have to do it.
Wow.
So how did you come up with the name Puka?
I was in college at that time when I thought of pen business. So I thought this brand for pen business.
And Puka?
It was no meaning. It was just like in college we were just, as you know, sab gappe marte.
Oh, okay.
So you all thought it in reality?
Yeah, you can say that. I never knew that this brand will become so famous and I'll come to this position. I wanted to become big, but I was not here. So
if you were to tell something for this company, as in for everyone in this company to look for, what would that message be from your end?
मैं लोगों को बार भी बोलता हूँ, अपनी कंपनी में बोलना चाहूंगा कि कथनी करने में फर्क नहीं होना चाहिए. कथनी एंड करनी in the sense, what you say, you do it. If you are not able to do it, accept it. And that has been my mantra so far in life. If I have failed, I have told people I have failed. I have shared my thought process with people. And कुछ करने की इच्छा होनी चाहिए लाइफ में, कि मतलब कुछ करना है लाइफ में. आम आदमी की तरह मरना नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब कुछ करना है. और वो क्या करना है वो किसी को भी नहीं पता होता. बट अगर ये सोच रखेंगे तो कुछ मिल जाएगा हमें करने के लिए. लेकिन अगर आपने सोचा ही नहीं मैंने कुछ करना है एंड तो शायद मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो कुछ करने की इच्छा जो है बहुत स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए लोगों में. कुछ so, सारे पॉइंट्स पे नहीं बोला जहाँ पे मैं बड़ा स्ट्रांगली बोलता हूँ. ओके, एट डिसीजन मेकिंग पे I think the most important thing in life is that, decision making. Most of us have that virus that we don't want to take decisions, whether it is personal or professional. And I have come out with my theory that I always tell to people that decisions are never right and wrong. It is always the outcome which is right and wrong. So what happens in life is that you take some decision out of compulsions or things, but that comes out very good for you. I mean, whether it is marriage or other decisions in life. It has taken because of certain circumstances, but that ultimately you come out with the realization that that was the best decision you have ever taken in your life. And sometimes you take some decisions which are, after a very strong thought, you have taken that decision, but they come out to the worst as things happen in life. But the important factor is that you take decisions. You become the owner of your own life and you start taking decisions. I don't say that decisions are influenced or not influenced or somebody else's decision you have taken, but that at least you have taken the decision so that, there can be some outcome. But if you don't take a decision, there cannot be any outcome. So the important thing is, in life, you should see at the end of the day, how many things where you could have taken decision, you have not taken. So at the end of the day, if you realize that, I could have taken these 2 more decisions, so it would be better. So don't keep things pending. Take decisions. Like if somebody sends me a mail, I send a decision on the mail itself. On SMSs, I send a decision. On phones, I tell him, do it. And if he feels that, sir, you are saying on the phone, I said, okay, will SMS be the right thing for your this thing or email is the right thing? I can give you right now SMS and email I can, further because I am not in a situation where I can send you the email. But if SMS is fine, I am sending you the SMS. So, I always tell people that let's take decisions. And it should be that quality should be built in you, that take decisions. At home also somebody telling me do this and do that and we don't take decisions. That's the wrong thing. Take decisions. And right and wrong decisions in my life I have made say 80% wrong decisions.
Wow.
But the 20% things what I did right has brought me here.
Correct.
You have no regret. How do you overcome a feeling of regret that might happen?
No, I tell you on that. You see, I have taken a wrong decision. Okay, fine. You know that things are going wrong. Then again take a decision. There are people who will not take a decision because that was their decision and they don't want to be wrong in the eyes of people. So you have to correct the decision. To correcting the decision, you have to again take a decision.
A decision is the only cure for another decision.
Yeah, because you know that this decision has you have taken and you have come to this situation, and if you don't take a decision right now again to reverse the situation, you will have a bigger soup. You don't want to challenge your own decisions. You should do it. You should accept it. I am 80% wrong.
And move on.
Move on.
Brilliant.
What is wrong in it?
So there's nothing in life that you would actually say, with this industry, you have repented. Really? Nothing. Everything has been a learning and growing phase.
Yeah, you learn and go ahead in life.
Right. I guess the factor of repent comes in only when you don't make a decision.
Yeah, you know, that becomes your way of life actually.
Negative way of life.
Or whatever you say, negative or positive, that decision making becomes your way of life.
Ah.
So you don't want to, I mean, somebody tells you that you are not, like in the organization, people will always say that, sir. So I always ask them, anything pending from my side? I said, no, sir. So it's pending from your side. So why don't you do it? Because if somebody says that this is not working, I said, is it my side? Have I not given you any decision on which, because of this which is standing? He said, no, sir. Then I said, then you understand what you need to do. So rather than, because decision making is one thing which has to become your way of life. As an entrepreneur, you can't afford to not make decisions. But I tell you, even as an individual, if you are not a decision maker, then, decisions are not for bigger issues. There are everything you have to take a decision. And you do it, that's fine.
You can't grow.
I took a decision of getting into statuses because somebody else was, sitting in front, he was standing in queue in front of me and he was putting statuses. I also put statuses. So that's fine. I took that decision. And had I done something else, would have made any difference to me. Probably had I done, engineering, I would not be sitting here.
Right.
Because I was an engineer. If I would have been an engineer, I wouldn't be running this company. I would be working for one of these companies.
Correct.
So, why to regret on decisions?
Sure.
Correct them.
Correct.
Regretting is not a right thing. Correcting is the right thing.
And the other aspect that you wanted to talk to.
Yeah. Another aspect is life is that, whatever achievements we do, we should, we should earn them as soon as possible. Because the world is going to tell you, you have done this. People around you are going to tell you that you have done this. There is a earth point in the electrical points. It should, you send the energy to the water with the shortest distance. That principle should be, adopted in your personal life as well as professional life. Whatever you do right and whatever you have achieved in life, smaller or bigger, if you want to celebrate it, fine. You want to celebrate it for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 10 minutes, fine. But you want to sit on them. That is the most dangerous thing you are going to do with your life. Because I've seen people at times, they start talking about themselves and they say, in 97 में मैंने ये किया था, 98 में मैंने ये किया था, 92 में, even they know the dates and the timings also. Then I feel that if you are going to talk about this, that means you are not going to do anything else in life. The last done for you is the only thing you have done in life. If you are asking me what I have done, I am not able to recall.
That means you moved on.
I moved on and that's it. I don't remember the things. Whether it is challenges or good or bad, I don't remember things. I can only tell you what I want to do now. Because that is my focus area. In the whole recording conversation, you will not find out what I have done.
Right.
Because I can't remember that.
Right.
Okay. But probably you will go and talk to other people, they will tell you that, this year he did this. That is their job, not my job. My job is to move on in life. So, my credentials are, what I want to do now and future. What I did in past, I think I should ground it as soon as over. Like in inverter industry, I don't want to be in inverter industry anymore. 2 years down the line, I have to quit this industry. So these people can do it. I've got good leaders, good intelligent people. I should create some other industry. I should create some other brand. If I'll not prove myself again, that means I could do it once in life. So I want to challenge myself, getting into the other industry. The thing I've talked is these things can be taken care of by these leaders.